Okay, so I gotta pull the radiator top off. The harness for the lights and everything is run. All of the plugs have been replaced. And now I've got to sheath the harness and make sure I have all the places I need to install the harness. So, yeah. Okay, so harness in the engine for the lights and everything, I've got taped together so I can go ahead and wrap it. And I'm going to be using this kit from DEI, the Easy Loom split line kit. Comes with the installation tools, some silicone tape, some electrical tape, some shrink wrap, and then all of these wraps. So, yeah. Okay, so the harness has been wrapped. Cool, now I just gotta install it. Okay, so the line is nice and wrapped. Come around here. So cables are all nice and wrapped up. Cable runs behind the radiator. Nice and wrapped. Yay! Okay, so this is the sub harness that goes in the under the bed to the tail light, so you don't need to take the harness out in order to take the bed off. Okay, so the tail light harness is all wrapped and taped and ready to get installed.